Discover the ultimate travel companion with the trtl Pillow Plus. This adjustable neck pillow is designed for airplane travel, offering luxury foam padding for unparalleled head and neck support. Lightweight and easy to carry, it comes with a waterproof carry bag, making it perfect for any journey. The pillow is also machine washable, ensuring it stays fresh trip after trip. Experience comfort and support like never before with the trtl Pillow Plus in stylish charcoal. Enhance your travel experience and arrive at your destination refreshed and relaxed. Enhance your travel efficiency with BAGSMART compression packing cubes. Available in sets of 6, 4, or 2, these lightweight travel essentials are perfect for organizing your suitcase. Made from durable materials, these packing cubes help you maximize space and keep your belongings neatly arranged. Ideal for any vacation, these travel accessories ensure your items stay organized and easy to access. Simplify your packing and enjoy a stress-free trip with BAGSMART compression packing cubes. Enhance your travel efficiency with BAGSMART compression packing cubes. Available in sets of 6, 4, or 2, these lightweight travel essentials are perfect for organizing your suitcase. Made from durable materials, these packing cubes help you maximize space and keep your belongings neatly arranged. Ideal for any vacation, these travel accessories ensure your items stay organized and easy to access. Simplify your packing and enjoy a stress-free trip with BAGSMART compression packing cubes. Introducing the rechargeable makeup mirror for travel, your ultimate beauty companion on the go. This ultra-slim portable vanity mirror features 80 LEDs, providing 3 color light settings to suit any environment. With a powerful 2000 mAh battery, it ensures you have perfect lighting whenever you need it. Ideal for touch-ups and detailed makeup application, this travel essential combines convenience and style, ensuring you always look your best, no matter where you are. Introducing the EverSnug Travel Blanket and Pillow, your premium 2-in-1 travel companion. This ultra-soft airplane blanket comes with a cozy pillowcase, making it perfect for long flights. The included hand luggage sleeve and backpack clip ensure easy portability, while the sleek black design adds a touch of elegance. Stay comfortable and stylish on your travels with this versatile and convenient travel essential.